Hello everybody, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we are opening 2 mystery host bundles from the company 31. Now if you host a party, you can get these at a discounted rate of $28. And I mean, I've showed you guys before, we've scored pretty good on these packages here. So I really wanted to figure out, if I purchase 2 mystery bundles, am I going to get all the same items, or will I get 2 packs that are different with different items in each pack? And you will see that in about 1 minute. But in this one, so far we're doing all right. We have our deluxe tote, which was valued at $48. And then we also have this thermal tote here in this awesome gray pattern. And the fact that they gave me matching patterns is awesome. So this is the Fresh Market Thermal. This is another item that's valued at $28. So I only paid $28 for both of these items, and the pattern is not like obnoxious or overwhelming. It's a really good one, very simple, and I'm loving it. I'm digging it. These bags are such high quality. I mean, even when your husband is impressed by a bag, that's saying something. Like, you know, you don't have to worry about the zippers falling out or them getting holes in them or anything like the cheapies you buy at the store when you forget to bring your own bags. Like, these actually hold up. As long as you remember to bring them with you, you're good to go. And look how big it is. Nice thermal bag here. So that's perfect for like parties. You can throw like some cans in there, or you can transport some food. So that's it. So that bag had the 2 items in there, the deluxe tote and the thermal bag. Now let's see what we're getting in bag number 2. Okay, hate to ruin the surprise here, but yes, we got another deluxe tote. So this is the same exact item as the first mystery bag, same exact pattern, same exact item, same exact value, everything. And if you can't tell already, we got another thermal bag. So yes, if you order 2 mystery host bundles on one order, chances are you are going to get 2 of the same exact orders filled with 2 of the same exact items, depending on how many they put in there. But regardless, paid $58, got $192. Thank you guys for watching.